Hunan Pawa Technology Corporation Limited, located in Changsha City, Hunan Province, China, is an enterprise which integrates R&D, sales, and productions. Our company focuses on the development and application of new energy battery technology, providing users with customized new energy battery system solutions and products. With an open attitude to the future, the company continues to improve its capabilities, work together with the users, and seek common development. We got 10 senior technicians and 20 people for the technical team. What's more, we got 50 people for the marketing department and more than 200 people in the workshop. After absorbing the industry experiences for more than decades, we established the company, and since that, we have developed the products including battery pack, all-in-one ESS, wall-mounted ESS, stacked or racked ESS, and portable energy storage system. All the products have successfully sold to the countries like USA, Germany, Romania, England, Australia, and so on. In the past year, we have achieved a performance of $5 million. The factory covers an area of 9,000 square meters. All the products will be strictly tested for several times by our own professional technical engineer. And we have realized the production automation, and in the past year, our factory has reached 100 million output value. Our mission is to help the world's new energy projects and to be a safer and more reliable green energy system service provider.